Nice Saturday morning. So let me take small fresh air outside my house and show you my mango tree. I have a mango tree in front of my house. You guys would think I'm staying in a village, but like we just like nature. If you love nature, this is where you should be. So this is the. Why did this guy throw these bottles here? Yeah. So anywhere I go with my aloe vera. I just planted these ones now. They are not really doing much, but and this leaf, an amazing leaf for new moms. It's great for treating injuries. And the umbilical cord when you give birth. Our mothers those days, this was what they used to squeeze the liquid and put in on the umbilical cord, and it drops off and it goes very fast. And this is ginger. This is another species of ginger. And yeah, this is my mango tree. Wow, is that a bee or what? Chineke. A lot of bugs. We have a lot of bees visiting. See, I have 2 mangoes there. I'm being careful because we have a lot of bees visiting this tree. A lot of bees. That's another mango. If they will allow us to eat. So, we call this curry leaf. What has Joel planted here? Madam Bella. Meow. Meow. Where are you going to? Auntie Bell. See, I cannot touch your knee. See your head. Hospital too far leaf. I've not used this leaf to cook. Oh. Joel, you can't teach me how to use this leaf. And more ginger. When this ginger they mature, Joel?
November.
How many months?
There is like 7 months.